In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the camera is not working on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just grab your Samsung phone and check if it is overheated or not, because sometimes when your Samsung phone gets overheated, the camera app will stop working. Also make sure that you have enough storage on your Samsung phone. If the storage is low, just delete some data from your Samsung phone, like you can delete some apps which you no longer use, or you can upload all your photos and videos to the cloud and you can delete them from your Samsung phone. Now, after you've done that, the next step is just open the recent apps section and close all the apps in the recent apps section. After you do that, then just open the control center, then tap on the power icon. And from here, just select restart. Now, after your phone finishes restarting, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. Now, if your issue is still not fixed, then just go to your home screen and open Settings. And under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the camera app, then tap on it. From here, just tap on Camera Settings. Now, at the bottom of this page, you will find the option for Reset Settings. Now, just tap on it and select Reset. And by doing that, you will reset all the camera settings of your Samsung phone. After that, in the app info, just scroll down and tap on storage. And from here, just tap on clear cache. After you clear the cache of the camera app, then tap on clear data and select delete. Now do not worry, by doing that, you will not delete any photo or video on your Samsung phone. After you've done that, then just go back to the apps section. And from here, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the screen and select Reset App Preferences. Tap on Reset. Now after you do that, then just go back to the home screen and check if your issue is fixed or not. Now if your issue is still not fixed, then just go to your home screen and open the control center. And in the control center, just look for this icon. Now this icon is for the sensors off feature. If it is turned on, all the sensors on your Samsung phone will stop working, including the camera. Just like that. Now to fix this issue, just open the control center and look for this icon. After you find it, then just tap on it to turn it off. And after you do that, the camera app will start working again. But if this also did not work, then just go to your home screen and open Settings. And under Settings, just go back to the main settings page and just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Software Update. Tap on Check for Updates and check if you have any update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your Samsung phone. After that, just go back to the main settings page and tap on General Management. From here, just scroll down a bit and tap on Reset. And on this page, just select Reset All Settings. Tap on Reset Settings, then enter your lock screen PIN. From here, just select Reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your Samsung phone. You'll just reset all the settings of your Samsung device to the default settings. Now, after you do that, then just go to your home screen and check if your issue is fixed or not. Now, if you have done all that and if your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your Samsung phone. Just take your smartphone to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix if the camera is not working on your Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.